Evolution of phones, from first cell phones to modern smartphones. Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. And today we're diving into a fascinating journey through time, exploring the incredible evolution of phones. If you enjoy learning about tech history and how we got to where we are today, you're in for a treat. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our tech adventures. Early beginnings. Our story starts way back in the 1970s when the very first cell phone was invented. It was a giant, clunky device known as the Motorola Dynatac, and it cost a small fortune. The 90s, the brick phone era, fast forward to the 1990s, and we had the iconic brick phones. These things were huge, but they were a big leap forward in terms of mobility and communication. The rise of flip phones. Then came the era of flip phones in the late 90s and early 2000s. Remember those satisfying flips when ending a call? These phones were stylish and compact, the smartphone revolution. But the real game changer arrived in the late 2000s, the smartphone. It combined phones with computers, giving us the power of the internet and apps right in our pockets. Touchscreens and apps. Touchscreens became the norm, and we could download apps for everything. From email to games, smartphones became an essential part of our lives. Today's modern marvels. Fast forward to today, and we have sleek, powerful smartphones that can do almost anything. There are cameras, GPS, personal assistants, and so much more. In conclusion, the evolution of phones is a remarkable journey from massive bricks to powerful mini-computers. We've come a long way. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button for more tech history and insights. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology. Don't forget to check out our other videos, and if you have any tech topics you'd like us to cover, let us know. See you soon.